Elsa wants to give us all some fun. She's making everyone a snowy summer day.
Today, Anna saved her sister with an unselfish act of true love and full of frozen.
We get to share this frozen fun for the first time in forever. Time to say what I can do to test the limits and
The hot and the cold are both so intense. Put them together, it just makes sense. Ra-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da.